Good morning, kindergarten. This is Miss Preston with our math video for Monday, May 18th. Today we will be counting by tens to 100 with the Say 10 way and regular counting. Today we'll complete lesson 15 problem set and upload a picture to portfolios. At the end of this video, please go over to the video I posted about counting to 100. That is our goal, to count all the way to 100. So please hop over to that video after this and practice your counting up to 100. Before we begin our counting from by tens to 100, we are going to practice counting in circular configuration. What does that mean again? That simply means counting in a circle. We have our number path. It's just in a circle, circular configuration. Okay, what I would like you to do for this first circle is count how many stars we have around our circle. Pause this video, count up the stars, and come back and we will practice it together. All right, great job, guys. Okay, I need to figure out how many stars are around my circle. What is my first step? What do I need to do first? Great, I need to start at the star that is a different color. Why would I do that? Why do you think I need to do that? Because it will help me tell me where I need to start and stop. So I have a different color just so I know where I'm going to start and where I need to stop next to it. So go ahead and count with me the number of stars around my circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 stars. I have the teen number 14. Tell me again, how do I write my number 14? Good. 1 for my tens. I have 10 ones. And how many ones do I have next? 4, 14, 1, 4, or 10 ones and 4 ones. How do I say 14 in the say 10 way? Good, 10, 4. For 10 ones and 4 ones is 14. Great job, guys. Okay, go ahead on over to our next circle. Can you count how many circles are in my next, or how many stars are around my next circle? Pause this video and count how many stars are in my next circle. All right, great job, guys. Okay, I don't have a star that's a different color. How do I know where I'm going to start? Good, you could start anywhere. You just need to make sure you remember what star you started at. We're going to start at this star right here. So I know where I'm going to start and stop right next to it. Go ahead and count with me and let's see how many stars are in my circle. Around my circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. What? Oh, that's wrong? Oh, whoops. You're right. Why is that wrong? What did I do wrong? Oh, I needed to stop at this star because I started here. I don't want to keep counting around and around because that's not how many stars I have. I only have this many stars. Okay, so that means I need to stop here, right? No, great, because I started here. I don't want to recount the star. So I will stop right here because that will tell me how many stars I have. So let's go ahead and count that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 stars. So I have 10 ones and how many ones? 7 ones. So my number 17 is 1, 7. And how do we say 17 in the say 10 way? 10, 7. Great job for 10 ones and 7 ones. 17 can be broken up into 10 ones and 7 ones. Great job, guys. Okay, let's go ahead to our lesson for today. We will be counting to 100 the say 10 way by tens. Okay, we're going to look at our first row right up here, this very first row at the very top. I would like you to count with me how many circles I have just in the first row. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How do we think 10 is broken up? Good, in 5 and 5, because I have 5 red circles and 5 blue circles. Great job, guys. Guys, I need to count all of these circles. I need to figure out how many circles I have all together. Should I count them by ones? Tell me how you think I should count these circles. By tens? That's a great idea. I know I have 10 circles in this first row. Do you think I have 10 circles in each row? From the top row to the bottom row, I have 10 circles in each row. So do you think I can count by 10? I can. If each row has 10 circles in it, I can count by 10 all the way to 100. Let's go ahead and practice that. Here is how we write each 10. I will say it first, and then I would like you to practice it along with me. Remember, each row here has 10 circles. So if each row has 10 circles, I can count by tens to get to my last number. All right, listen as I say this and counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Look at my 10. We know this is how we write the number 10. 1, 0. 20, we know how to write 20. 2, 0. 30, 3, 0. Look at the left part of each of these. 1 all the way to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Our say 10 way. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 groups of 10, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens, and 100. All right, let's go ahead one more time. I'm going to say count the regular way to 100 by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Go ahead and say that with me. Count by tens to 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now we are going to count our circles by tens to 100. So over here, I'm going to point to the row and we're going to count them by tens. Remember, because I know each row, a row is this many long. Each row has 10 circles. So if these are all a group of 10. So we have 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10, 6 10, 7 group of 10, 8 10, 9 10, 10 10, or 100. Go ahead and count with me by tens to 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. You just counted to 100 by tens. Remember, each group is a group of 10. So that means there are 100 circles here, and you just counted those by 10. Let's look at the numbers right here again. We're going to count from 10 to 100 by tens because each group is a group of 10. Ready? Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, one more time, practice counting the regular way to 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Great job, guys. We're going to practice this the say 10 way like we did in the beginning of this practice. Remember, the say 10 way is just the way to break up our number so we know how many groups of 10. 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8, 10, 9, 10, 100. So that is just showing that these are all groups of 10. 20 is 2 groups of 10. 30 is 3 groups of 10. 40 is 4 groups of 10. So on all the way to 100 is 10 groups of 10. That makes 100. You just counted to 100 by tens, the regular way and the say 10 way. What I want us to do now is we're going to count backwards from 100 all the way to 10. So let's start at 100 and we're going to count backwards to 10. You ready to count with me? 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Okay, let's count forwards. You ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's count backwards again. 10, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Great job, guys. You can always come back and review this video if you need help with the names of how to say each 10. If you look at the 60 and you don't know how to say 60, that's okay. You can come back and review the names of all of these 10s. So I'll look at this number. If you don't know that this is 40, that's okay. Come back and watch this video again so you can practice the names of all of these 10s. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So let's go ahead and practice counting by tens one more time to 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Remember, we just counted these circles by 10. Each group is a group of 10. We counted from 10 all the way to 100 circles. Great job, guys. We are going to hop over to our problem set for today. I'm going to explain lesson 15 problem set. Remember to look for the K5, and then you will complete this on your own. So here we have all of our groups of 10. 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, all the way to, what number did we count to today? 100 will be 10 groups of 10. What you will do is you just fill in the numbers 10 all the way to 100. You just need to fill in the missing numbers. So we have 10, 20. What group is next? 3 groups of 10, which is what number? 30. So I would write the number 30, 3, 0 for 3 groups of 10. Okay, what's after 30? How many groups of 10 is after 30? 4 groups of 10, so 40. All the way down to 100. When you're done practice or writing the numbers 10 to 100 by tens, practice as we did, counting from 10 to 100 by tens. So practice counting from 10 to 100 by tens. All right, great job, guys, today. Saying, counting from 10 to 100 by tens. Upload this to your portfolio page, and I will see you for our lesson tomorrow. Have a great day, guys.